So you ready to go on the shoot?
Yeah, let's cruise.
Does that sound right to you?
Just your eyes.
Is that good? No.
No, it doesn't sound. It sounds like it's hurting a little bit. Just your eyes.
Is that good?
So, dude, should we look under the hood? Something's wrong?
Do you know anything about cars?
No, not really. Do you?
No, but I feel I should. I mean, probably should take a
All right, let's look under the hood.
All right.
Whoa, what the? Do you? What? I have no idea.
Do you know what anything is?
No.
I don't know. The engine's just not sounding right. Maybe we should just go buy a part.
Okay. What part?
I guess we'll just start with one of these. That's what guys look like that know about cars.
Yeah, that guy knows what he's doing. I could tell.
I don't want to go in, man. You go in.
No.
I'm not gonna go in.
You go in.
I don't even know what to ask him about.
I'm not going in. I mean, I don't know what any of that crap is. I'm looking. I can. You go in. You saw those other guys. We don't even look like them.
They look
like
mean
a
and
fan.
scary.
I just.
You look more like you would know about cars.
I wish that it would be.
Look at that dude. Look at that dude.
I should know. I feel like I should know what the.
We'll just have one battle of rock, scissors, paper. Just one. And then whoever loses got to go in. Get
All
the
right,
part.
whoever loses has to go in.
Okay. One shot.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3. Ah! Go on, go on, go on. Oh, man. You're gonna have to take 2 more steps. God. You know, I'll tell you what. I feel better that we did come over here anyway. If we knew more about cars,
Yeah, that is cool. That's cool.
I feel good about myself. I feel good about Jay.
I feel good about me. I feel good about Joe. Let's go to the shoot.
If he sees that camera, he's gonna go.
Well, I got a good.
1, 2, 3. I lost on purpose. I get to go in. All right. Better than a carburetor.
Hell yeah.
All right, you can. So.
Hey, baby, what's going on? Give me a little kiss. Come on, kiss me, baby. Come on, just a little kiss.
Hey, Joe, right?
Remember, Joe, you said say.
Tell her.
Thank you, honey.
Thank you.
They'll be laughing.
Every time I go to Jack in the Box, oh, those babes just dig on me. They want me bad. They...
Okay, now that we're back, and we're
Right.
not driving, we can have some alcohol.
All right. Or here, let's clink. You don't mind my lips, do you? It's raining. Flatten up. Run for it! Joe, we got P.O. He got J.J. Hey, Score! I hate this job. Let's go tell him to take a hike.
Ah, JR, take this job. John, I got something for you to kill. Yeah, Joe, come on, let's go down. Head down. Ah!
Oh shit! What have I done?